justice. An Amber Alert has been issued for 12-year-old Rhiannon McGuire, white female, 5'2", 85 pounds with brown shoulder-length hair, brown eyes. Rhiannon was abducted by her non-custodial mother, Michelle Ferguson, white female, 5'6", 145 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes. Living possibly in a white 2002 Chevrolet Tracker, Montana, license 734,286B. Mother is bipolar, manic depressive, and off her medication. Child's life is believed to be in danger. Any info call Flathead County Sheriff at 758-561-0911. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio.
Channel froze up, sort of. Channel cut off. Oh, here it is.
Montana license 730,206B. Mother is bipolar, manic depressive, and off her medication. Child's life is believed to be endangered. Any info call Flathead County Sheriff at 758-561-0911.
Low blood calcium, serious infections which couldn't